Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Winter is here, and if you're tired of back-breaking snow shoveling, today's video is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best electric snow shovels of 2026. Perfect for clearing driveways, walkways, patios, and decks without the hassle of gas, cords, or heavy machines. I'll cover performance, battery life, ease of use, and value for money, so you can choose the right one for your winter needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Snow Joe 24-volt cordless electric snow shovel. 24V-SS-13-TV1. The Snow Joe 24V-SS-13 is one of the most popular electric snow shovels on the market. It features a 13-inch clearing width, a 400-watt motor, and a 24-volt battery system, making it perfect for small to medium snow jobs. This snow shovel is incredibly easy to use. It's lightweight, starts instantly with a button press, and throws snow efficiently without clogging. It works best on fresh snow up to 6 inches deep, making it ideal for sidewalks and smaller driveways. The included scraper and protective cover are a nice bonus, especially for long-term storage. Pros: lightweight and easy to maneuver. Strong 400-watt motor. Cordless convenience. Includes cover and ice scraper. Quiet operation. Cons: not ideal for heavy or wet snow. Battery runtime may be limited for large areas. If you want a reliable, affordable, and easy-to-use electric snow shovel, Snow Joe delivers excellent performance for everyday winter use. Number 2. VOLTASK 24-volt cordless snow shovel. 13-inch 4AH. The VOLTASK snow shovel features a 13-inch clearing path, a 24-volt 4AH battery, and a directional snow throw plate, giving you better control over where the snow goes. This model stands out thanks to the adjustable front handle, which greatly improves comfort and control. The directional plate helps prevent snow from blowing back onto you, something many budget models struggle with. Battery performance is solid, offering enough runtime for most residential walkways and patios. Pros: adjustable ergonomic handle, directional snow throw plate, good battery life, lightweight and easy to store. Cons: not designed for deep snow. Plastic construction feels slightly basic. The VOLTASK is a great choice if you value comfort and control, especially for regular light to moderate snow clearing. Number 3. 80-volt cordless snow shovel, 2 x 40-volt batteries. This is the most powerful option on the list, featuring an 80-volt system powered by 2 40-volt batteries, a brushless motor, and a 13-inch clearing width. If you deal with heavier snowfall, this snow shovel is a beast. The brushless motor delivers strong, consistent power and longer motor life. It handles packed and wet snow far better than lower voltage models. Despite the power, it remains surprisingly smooth and efficient. Pros: extremely powerful 80-volt system. Brushless motor for durability. Handles heavy and wet snow. Long battery life. Cons: heavier than other models. Higher price point. This is the best choice for demanding winter conditions and larger areas. If power matters most, this is the one to get. Number 4. Snow Joe 24-volt cordless electric shovel. 24V-SS-10-TV1. The Snow Joe 24V-SS-10 is a compact and lightweight snow shovel with a 10-inch clearing width and a 210-watt motor designed for quick cleanups. This model is perfect for small spaces, such as steps, decks, and narrow walkways. It's extremely lightweight, making it ideal for seniors or anyone who wants minimal strain. While it's not as powerful as the SS-13, it excels in convenience and portability. Pros: very lightweight and portable. Easy to use and store. Quiet operation. Affordable. Cons: narrow clearing width. Less power for deep snow. If you need a simple, no-frills snow shovel for light snow, this compact Snow Joe is a solid pick. Number 5. 40-volt brushless cordless snow shovel. 13-inch dual batteries. This green 40-volt brushless snow shovel includes 2 4.0 AH batteries, a 13-inch clearing path, and an impressive 16.5-foot snow throw distance. The dual battery setup gives you excellent runtime, while the brushless motor ensures efficient and consistent performance. It clears snow quickly and throws it far enough to avoid re-clearing the same area. It's a great balance between power, runtime, and value. a fantastic mid to high power option that offers great value and performance for most homeowners. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you choose the right electric snow shovel, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.